So the digitizing fee can be configured in your admin area under decoration processes. From there, you'll want to click the embroidery section and jump into the artwork fee page. So here under artwork fee, you have the ability to um, enable this automatically create digitizing job option, which is the digitizing fee. You can set a price for that fee. Uh, Normally, it's a fixed price unless you enable this per square inch option. And then the price that you set here would be per square inch of the uploaded graphic. Um, so really all you need to do is enable the option here. As far as the system applying that on the front end, when a customer is uploading their own artwork, the system will do that automatically. Um, so it'll know that the customer is uploading a graphic that isn't already digitized, and it'll go ahead and apply that digitizing fee to it. So let me see if I can just kind of show an example here. Um, let's see. All right, so here's an example where you would have that graphic placed. The system knows that this is not already digitized. Now my digitizing fee is not set necessarily accurately. But you can see here that the charge for that digitizing fee, it does a size calculation, a square inch size calculation, and a stitch estimate, which isn't, it's not always accurate. All it can look at is the size of the graphic, and then it uses your stitches per square inch setting to determine that estimate. But it's definitely a good starting point. Uh, so that's the option there for digitizing fees.